How to connect Bluetooth headphones to PlayStation 5. Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can connect Bluetooth headphones to PlayStation 5. So let's jump straight into it. Step 1. Start by plugging your USB Bluetooth adapter or Type-C Bluetooth adapter into one of the available ports on your PS5 console. The USB version typically goes into the front or back USB ports, while the Type-C version fits into the PS5's front Type-C slot. This adapter is the bridge that allows your console to communicate wirelessly with your Bluetooth headphones. Step 2. Put your Bluetooth headphones or headset into pairing mode so they're ready to connect. This process varies by brand and model, so if you're unsure, check your headphones user manual. Pairing mode usually involves holding down a specific button, often the power or Bluetooth button, until a LED light flashes indicating it's ready to connect. Step 3. Now, activate pairing mode on your Bluetooth adapter USB or Type-C. This often involves pressing a small button on the adapter until its indicator light begins to flash. Just like your headphones, the adapter needs to be in pairing mode to detect and link with your headset. Step 4. Keep the headphones and the adapter close together, ideally within a few inches, while they search for each other. The connection process may take anywhere from a few seconds to around 30 seconds, depending on the devices. Be patient and watch for the solid light or other confirmation signal that pairing is complete. Step 5. Once they're paired, head over to your PS5 settings menu. Navigate to sound and audio output and ensure that the output device is set to your transmitter adapter, not directly to your Bluetooth headphones. Since the adapter is what's plugged into the PS5, the console needs to route audio through it. Do the same under microphone input, selecting the transmitter adapter as the input source to ensure your mic works correctly during games or chats. That's it, and thanks. I'll catch you all in the next video.